Withdrawing money from YouTube to your bank account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure you successfully transfer your earnings. Step 1. Set up your AdSense account. Before you can withdraw money, you need to have an AdSense account linked to your YouTube channel. If you haven't done this yet, go to the AdSense website and create an account, then link it to your YouTube channel. Step 2. Meet the payment threshold. You must reach the payment threshold set by Google AdSense, which is typically $100. Ensure that your earnings from YouTube meet or exceed this amount before attempting to withdraw. Step 3. Verify your bank account. Log into your AdSense account and navigate to the payments section. Here, you will need to add your bank account details. Google will usually require you to verify your bank account by confirming small deposits made to your account. Step 4. Request a payment. Once your earnings exceed the payment threshold and your bank account is verified, go back to the payments section in AdSense. Click on Manage Payment Methods and select the option to request a payment. Follow the prompts to complete the request. Step 5. Wait for the transfer. After requesting a payment, it may take a few days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Keep an eye on your bank statements and ensure that the transfer has been completed. In conclusion, by following these steps, you can successfully withdraw your earnings from YouTube to your bank account. Make sure to keep track of your earnings and maintain your AdSense account for a smooth withdrawal process.